Yo, zZay. This is going on your trading account, zZay. Pay attention. Look. Now, I just had to fix my hair because, nigga, I just picked the camera. I don't be taking a shower every single time I pick up the camera just to tell y'all something, nigga. So if I look dusty, I look dusty. But look, this is a trading video, and I haven't recorded a trading video in so long. Today is a rainy day. I haven't traded, or I have traded. I've already taken a trade, but I haven't taken a trade and recorded it in such a long time. And I just want to pick up the camera and show y'all that I'm still hitting setups. Nigga, every day. Every day is a new setup. And I just want to show y'all that is exactly what I'm still doing. I just got a new 10K account. And I wanted to risk small for the first, you know what I'm saying? And we only going for 1-to-1, and we going 1% risk to, not risk to reward, but 1% percentage on a account. And hell yeah, that's just what it is. I just wanted to pick up the camera and show y'all that I still be trading, I still be doing this. My videos are still valuable if you still want to go watch them. This is gonna be $100 a day. I'm already at 50, already halfway through take profit. We're gonna keep on going down. Go ahead and smack take profit. As you can see, I could tell y'all and show y'all why I took the trade, and then from there show y'all once I do hit the trade, and then from there that's gonna be the video. I love y'all boys. We already at $60, a little bit over. We might hit this take profit while I'm explaining this trade to y'all boys. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let me go ahead and get straight into this explanation. Boom. Okay. And this shit perfect, for real. Okay, so boom. And I don't even like the green one. Let me go ahead and adjust this green EMA. So basically I got a 13 EMA and a 50 EMA. And then I had a 200 EMA. Let me go ahead and change the 13 EMA to like a 13 color. Let's go ahead and pick light blue. We're gonna do light blue. 13 EMA, 50 EMA is red, and then blue is 200. So if y'all can't see, and we about to get stopped out right now. We at 95 for the day. 90 stopped out. We just hit take profit for the day. $100 for the day, as y'all can see. But let me just go ahead and explain this trade. We already hit our 1-to-1. This was a little bit less than a 1-to-1. I mean, a little bit more than a 1-to-1. Boom, that was the 1-to-1. So boom, y'all see that. But I didn't even have my EMAs on. As y'all can barely tell, that's an EMA right there. That blue EMA, red EMA, and then that bluer EMA down there. I didn't even see that shit, and I still took this trade. And usually the EMAs really be telling me a lot, but that's not even why I took this trade. So boom, I hopped in the market, looked at every other chart was ass. Today, gold trade, for some reason I just felt like gold for some reason today was just the best. So when I was like, okay, cool, when I made that judgment, I was like, okay, cool, everything is consolidating, and gold is in a consolidation, but we're breaking through that consolidation. Finally, we're going down to the downside. What are we going to do within this hour? Because I only trade within 1 hour. So I was like, okay, cool, this is my candle. What are we going to do, and what have we been doing? Cool, we've been going down. We've been going down on a higher time frame. The EMAs is above, so we're in a downtrend. According to EMAs, we are in a downtrend. If you even just look at it, we're in a downtrend on a higher time frame. On every single time frame, we're in a downtrend. We're, even if it's a counter trend on a higher time frames, on the higher time frames for the day, we're in a downtrend. So that's what we should be worrying about, looking for a sell. Okay, cool. If I'm looking for a sell and I'm on a higher time frames, I need to scroll down. Now that I know that I'm looking for a sell, these EMAs really don't matter no more. I'm on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily. I'm like, okay, cool, we're in a downtrend. Do we leave any gaps? Cool, we're in a downtrend. Do we leave any gaps? No, not on that 4 hour, we didn't leave any gaps. Okay, cool. On that 1 hour, do we leave any gaps? No, not on that 1 hour, we didn't leave any gaps, not yet. So therefore, we should be going and scrolling down on the smaller time frame, seeing if we leave any gaps on the smaller time frame. Okay, cool. We did leave some gaps on the smaller time frame. Now, if you really zoom in, okay, on the 15-minute, you see I got in at this 9 o'clock candle. Well, I didn't get in on this 9 o'clock candle. I got in on this 9:15 candle, for real. But on this 9 o'clock candle, you can see that we came up here and filled in these gaps. in this gap right here, in this 15-minute gap. We ain't come and fill in the 15. We ain't come in and fill in the 50%, but we came in and we came in and tapped it. So from us tapping it, you can see if we go down and scroll down on a smaller time frame, once we tapped it, if I have my EMAs on also, once we tapped it, bro, we only need so many confluences. We don't need every single confluence. We had a liquidity sweep up here pre-market. We came down here, broke structure, came back up here, filled in gaps to come down here and continue the structure. Like that only makes sense. Like that literally, like, you got to make it make sense. And then on top of that, when we came in and filled in this gap, we rejected perfectly off of this 13 EMA, as y'all can see, this light blue one. We came and rejected perfectly off of it. So it only just give us more confluence. Not saying that we should take a sell and hold this sell, but take a sell and reject off the 13. Maybe we didn't hit the 50%, so go ahead and get your little 1-to-1. Don't try to hold it. Just go ahead and get your little 1-to-1, bro, because you know we didn't fill in all this gap. We could take a little 1-to-1, come back up here, fill in all this gap, and then come all the way down and then blow straight through. That's usually what we do because the market don't like seeing niggas win, so keep that in mind. Jesus Christ. Whew. Y'all ever just be talking and think that y'all ain't gonna swallow the spit and then swallow the spit and then start choking? Whew. Anyway, yeah. So once we hit that EMA, which I would have had if I would have had the EMA on, I'd have been like, damn, like that's even more confluences. So think about it. Like, think about how many confluences I had for this trade for me to take it. Okay, cool. This is one confluence. On a higher time frame, yes, we are consolidating, but first and foremost, every other market is trash right now. Let me show you why every other market is trash. Every other market is trash right now. Look, I'm on a 4-hour for US 30. Look at this shit. US 30 been going up for so long. After going up for so long, look, cool. US 30 been going up for so long. Obviously, it needs to come down and go up. That's what it did. It came down to go up. This is a 4-hour, remember? So we came down to go up. Okay, cool. Now we're back at previous highs and now we're dropping again. I'm not finna take the first day of sales in US 30 because technically the first day of sales, even though we are making a higher time frame structure, breaks of structure, we haven't broke it yet. We got 2 hours left still on this break of structure. I'm not finna take no sell right now thinking that we broke this structure because anything can happen within these last little 2 hours. Within these 2 hours, we could just wick back up off of this, not this 13, but this 50 EMA, and just continue to go back up, the continue trend. You don't know what's gonna happen, so therefore you can't take that trade. You're not sure. You didn't break structure, not even on the 4-hour or the 1 hour. On a 1 hour, you see we're still up here. We're still up here. This candle has not been confirmed yet. We still got 35 minutes left on this candle. So once we close under this this low, not this low, first of all, this EMA, once we break this EMA and also break this structure and close under it, then I will be comfortable taking not buys but sales. Until then, I'm not gonna be comfortable, and it's not in my trading zone, so I'm definitely not gonna be comfortable. It's not. Look, this whole time, 9 o'clock, we just been consolidating. You know why? Because we finna go back up. You know why? Because our trend wasn't originally down. Like, we are in a higher time frame, but we're consolidating right now. That's how you know not to take that, because it just starts not to make sense. Like, once you look at it and really look at it. Now, NAS, if you just look at it, it just don't make no sense either. If we go in a higher time frame, this is the 4-hour. We zoom out on a 4-hour, you see we're consolidating. You see we're consolidating after going up. So therefore, if we're consolidating and then moving downwards, we shouldn't be in this. Like, it just don't make no sense for us to try to even trade it, try to even look at it. Why even look at something that doesn't make sense? It don't make sense. Don't look at it. Cool, we are going down. Overall time frame is going up though. The reason I say overall time frame is going up, because if you look at it, we're on a daily now. Now if I zoom out, look, overall time frame is going up, even though we went down to go up. If you think about it, overall time frame is going up. Okay, cool. We had a whole bunch of daily candles that came all the way down here. Okay, cool. That's when we was in a sell. We were selling the market. I wasn't selling the market, honestly, because I just didn't trust it. I kind of felt like we were going to continue buying this whole sell. So I was losing a couple bucks 2 weeks ago. I ain't gonna lie. But at the same time, if you really pay attention, like, we need to go down to go up on every single time frame. So if we start going down and then start going up, but then on some days you see we consolidating on a 4-hour, on the hourly, you just see like small price movement, especially on a NSC that moves a lot, like these indices move a lot. Like don't let these indices fool you. Like they move a lot. Like especially when they're not consolidating. It's just a whole bunch of consolidation that's been going on this year. But we move a lot, especially like just in one day. So if you're not moving, bro, just understand that that pair just wasn't for you that day. Gold was the only trade that looked and made sense. And let me go to gold. Like I said, we was in a higher time frame on that gold trade. From that gold trade, we was already breaking structure. Let me go ahead and go to the middle. We was already breaking structure. Let me zoom in. We was already breaking structure. We broke this structure. We came down, broke these EMAs. We was under these EMAs on a higher time frame. Like also when EMAs is going through price, you more than likely consolidating. You see how EMA is going through price? Like right here, y'all can barely see it. It's kind of faint. But if you really look really hard, you can see the EMA is going through the time, the price. You will see we start consolidating as soon as that shit go through the price. As soon as we start dropping down below, we start breaking structure. So it just all makes sense. You got to make it make sense. So once it start making sense to you, cool. We start breaking structure. We got hourly time frames that's broke. We ain't got no gaps on the higher time frame, so we ain't got nothing to worry about for price to return back to the top. We just need to try to catch that small time frame gap towards the bottom. Okay, cool. Take it. That's what I did. Seeing a 15-minute gap, seeing the EMA was right here. I didn't see that we rejected off of the EMA, but that gave me more confluences. That's already like 5 confluences. Higher time frame, breaks of structure on the higher time frame. We got liquidity sweeps. Just to continue our trading plan, because our trading plan, we got to see a liquidity sweep, we got to break structure, we got to fill in some gaps. I would like to see price go into the middle of that gap, but if price don't go into the middle of that gap, that's fine, as long as we get a break of the candle. When we get a break of the candle, we can take that 1-to-1, but don't take the whole 1-to-1. I mean, take the 1-to-1, but don't be greedy for one. And also properly risk the reward your shit, because if you trying to depending on how you want to do your shit, but I do my shit differently. If y'all want to know, I can make a video on that. But that's like that's only like 5 fucking confluences, and that's not even like me even being on a smaller time frame. Like I learned all that shit like on a higher time frame, and then we start going down on the time frame. You see we got a 30-minute gap that's being created. This is all happening with inside of my trading zone. We tapped onto that EMA on a 5-minute. We tapped into the gap. Nigga, it's just like we doing a whole bunch of shit that just made sense to take that trade at that point in time. So hell yeah, like hopefully niggas got into that trade. Hopefully niggas, you know, like really learn some shit. Hopefully you got some gems for this video. We should continue to see market go down just because of what structure is giving us. I don't know where the fuck we going, but just because we're probably going at this low and then probably gonna reject and see some price go up. If y'all seen what I was just talking about, we probably gonna go this low over here and then see price go up from there. But from there, hopefully y'all seen what the fuck I was talking about and shit like that. So hopefully y'all got some good gems from this video. And I'm probably not gonna edit this video, probably just gonna upload it. I love y'all boys. Shit, zZay out. Cool $100 for the day.